Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to Spotify on iOS. So there's another way of actually doing it. So what you're going to do first, you're going to just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your files. Say that you have a music, you have an audio, whatever it might be. Let me recover some of the files. Let's say for example that file. I'm going to recover it, right? And you're going to be able right here to see it on my downloads, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go ahead and hold this file, right? And I'm gonna just see right here, pop-up window, click move, and then you're gonna just go ahead and start looking for Spotify, right? Spotify, and you're gonna see right here, this is the Spotify file. So I'm gonna just add that file right here, and I'm gonna just move that audio right there, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead to my Spotify, right? And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the top left, and then go ahead and click the settings and privacy. And here you're gonna be able to see an option for local files, right? Make sure that you show audio files from this device, right? And basically you're gonna be able right here to see it in your library, right? In this right here. So let's run on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.